Here we are going to start a new lesson which is algebraic manipulation, and we are going to discuss HCF, which stands for highest common factor. So the question is, find the HCF, means highest common factor of the following expressions. So we have first expression 39 x raised to power 7 y exponent 3z, and 91 x raised to power 5 or exponent 5 y power 6 z power 7. It is very easy. We have two expression. Write down the first expression and we have to make the factor of 39. Right, usually we make the prime factor. So here you should know the timetables. So 3 13 times, or we can say 13 3 times 39. Write down x7 y cube and see as it is. If you do not know how to make this, because this is very simple, 39, if it is a long number, so do not worry about it. Make the LCM. 3 3 1 time 3 3 3 times 9, and 13 1 time 13. So these two are the factors of 39. Similarly, move on. 91 x raised to power 5 y power 6 z power 7. Now here we have to make the factor of 91. So 13 7 times 91, and again my focus will be that you should know the timetables, or you can do the practice of these questions. Then it will be very easy for you to make the factors of 91 and whatever number you have. So now HCF, what we are actually going to do, we are going to calculate the highest common factor. See, highest means among these two factors, we have the factors of 39, we have the factor of 91. Highest, so the highest is 13, right? This is 3, this is 7, this is 13. Common means which is present in both. So highest and common, highest is 13, common is also 13 factor, so we will pick 13 because 3 is here, 3 is not here, 7 is here, 7 is not here. 13 is present in both 39 and 91, and this is the highest one. That is why it is called highest common factor. And now is x raised to power 7. Here is x exponent 5. Exponent or powers both are same. So x raised to power 7 means x we have 7 times, right? And here we have 5 times. So how many times we can take common? We can take 5 times x raised to power 5, because this is the minimum which is available in both. Similarly, here is y cube. Y is 3 times. Here is y 6 times. But how many times we have common? 3 times 3. So y cube we will write down. Similarly, z7 is here and here is no power. It means 1. 1 is here. So we can take 1 as a common. What is the minimum, right? So this is 1. And this is our answer. So simple. Highest common factor. We have to make the factor of the numbers, and then we have to see the highest factor and which is present, which is common in both. Suppose if we have three expression 1 2 3, whatever number is highest, it should be present or it should be common in 3. Same thing for 4 and 5. One more question. It is 102 x y square z. This, now we have three expressions here, and the question is very simple. So 102, if suppose you do not know how to make the factor of 102, no problem. Write down 102 here. Divide it. 2 5 times 10, this one, and 2 1 time 2. Why I have started with 2? Because any number which ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, it means it is divisible by 2. So here we have 2. That is why I have used 2, and now is the 51. 51 comes in the timetable of 3, 3 1 time, 3 7 time, and then 17 1 time 17. These are the factors of 102. 102, 2, 3 times 6, 6 17 time 102. So instead of 102, we can write down 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 7, and write down the variables as it is. Next is 85, x, 5, y, and z. Right? 85. If you do not know the factors of 85, do not worry. Divide it with 5. Why? Because any number which ends with 0 and 5, it should be divisible by 5. So 5 one time and then 5 17 times 35. So these are the factors. 5 17 times or 17 5 times 85, and we will write down the variable as it is. Third one is 187 xyz square. Again, my focus will be that you should know the timetables, then it will be much more easy to find out the factors, and practice makes a man perfect as well. Now these are the three expressions and we have made the factors. Actually, we are going to find out the highest common factor, the highest number which is present in these three expression. 2 is here, not here, not here. Same thing for 3. Only 17 is the highest factor which is available among these three. So we will take 17 as a common, highest common factor. Here y, x we have only 1, here 5, here 1. So the minimum we can take as a common. Same thing for y, same thing for z. We can take 1x common, 1y common, and 1z common, because here we have 1z, 1z, here we have 2z, and this is the answer. So we have learned highest common factor in this lesson. First you have to make the factors of the number, then you have to see the highest number, but it should be present in all the expressions. That is called the highest common factor. If still any point is not clear, please write down in comment section and subscribe to my channel Saima Academy. Thanks for watching.